everyone! Welcome back to our English learning podcast, where we make English simple, practical, and fun. I am Emily.
And I am George. Today, we are going to explore something very exciting.
Yes, today's topic is not just grammar or vocabulary.
We are unlocking the hidden secrets of English expressions.
Have you ever heard someone say, break a leg, and wondered why they are talking about breaking a leg?
Or someone says, spill the beans, and you think, wait, why are we talking about beans?
Don't worry. Native speakers are not actually talking about legs, beans, cats, or pieces of cake.
These are English expressions, also called idioms. They have special meanings that are different from the individual words.
And today, we will discover the secret meanings behind common English expressions.
By the end of this episode, you will understand expressions that native speakers use every day.
So get comfortable, take your notes, and let's begin.
Emily, before we start with examples, what exactly is an English expression?
An English expression is a group of words that has a special meaning.
So the meaning is not always the same as the words?
Exactly.
For example, it's raining cats and dogs.
Nobody believes cats and dogs are falling from the sky.
Then what does it mean?
It means it is raining very heavily.
Interesting. So expressions make English more colorful.
Yes, they make conversations sound more natural and fluent.
Let's start with one of the most famous expressions.
Break a leg.
That sounds scary.
But don't worry, it is actually a good wish.
It means good luck.
Exactly.
When do people use it?
Usually before a performance, exam, presentation, or important event.
Example, my friend has a big speech tomorrow.
You can say, break a leg.
Meaning, I hope you do well. Next expression, spill the beans.
This one is funny.
Does it mean dropping food?
No, it means revealing a secret.
Example, come on, spill the beans. What happened?
That means, tell me the secret.
So if someone knows exciting news, we ask them to spill the beans.
Exactly.
Another common one, piece of cake.
This expression means something is very easy.
Example, the test was a piece of cake.
Meaning, the test was easy.
So it is not about eating cake?
Not always, although cake is always nice.
Now, this one sounds strange. Under the weather.
It means feeling sick or not feeling well.
Example, I'm feeling under the weather today.
Meaning, I don't feel healthy.
Can I say this when I am tired?
Yes, especially when you feel unwell.
This one sounds like a construction activity.
Actually, it means saying something exactly correct.
Example, you hit the nail on the head.
Meaning, you are completely right.
So if someone explains a problem perfectly, we can use it.
Correct.
What about once in a blue moon?
It means something happens very rarely.
Example, I eat fast food once in a blue moon.
Meaning, I almost never eat fast food.
So it describes something uncommon?
Exactly.
This sounds expensive.
It means something costs a lot of money.
Example, that phone costs an arm and a leg.
Meaning, the phone is very expensive.
Good to know. I will protect my arms and legs.
Very important.
Another animal expression.
Yes, but no real cat.
What does it mean?
It means accidentally revealing a secret.
Example,
She let the cat out of the bag about the surprise party.
Meaning, she revealed the surprise.
This sounds like sports.
It comes from sports, but we use it in daily life.
meaning.
It means it is your responsibility to make the next decision.
Example,
I gave you the information. Now the ball's in your court.
Meaning, now you decide what happens next.
This expression sounds positive.
Yes, it means something that seems bad at first, but becomes good later.
Example, Missing that bus was a blessing in disguise because I avoided the traffic. So a bad situation became helpful? Exactly.
Another interesting one.
Bite the bullet.
Meaning?
To face a difficult situation with courage.
Example?
I don't like exams, but I must bite the bullet and study.
Great example.
This one sounds dangerous. It means making a bad situation worse.
Example?
Arguing more will add fuel to the fire. It increases the problem. That sounds like a movie title. It means someone who looks harmless, but is actually dangerous or dishonest.
Example?
Be careful. He may seem friendly, but he is a wolf in sheep's clothing. What does this mean? It means working late at night.
Example?
I burned the midnight oil to finish my project.
Meaning?
I worked until very late. This is very common.
Yes.
It means stopping work for now. Example? We finished enough. Let's call it a day. Meaning, let's stop working.
This one is easy to understand.
Yes, it means watch or take care of something.
Example: can you keep an eye on my bag?
Meaning, please watch my bag. I hear this a lot.
It means don't give up.
Example: things are difficult, but hang in there.
Meaning, stay strong and continue.
Miss the boat?
It means missing an opportunity.
Example: I missed the boat on that job offer.
Meaning, I lost the chance.
I like this one.
It means you only see a small part of a bigger problem or situation.
Example: the mistakes we found are just the tip of the iceberg.
Meaning, there are many more hidden things.
Emily, let's create a conversation using these expressions.
Great!
My English exam was tomorrow and I was nervous.
I understand, but hang in there.
I studied all night and burned the midnight oil.
Don't worry, you will do great. Break a leg.
Thanks. I hope the exam is a piece of cake.
Perfect. That sounds like a natural conversation.
Why are expressions important for English learners?
Because they help you understand real conversations. Textbooks teach basic sentences.
But native speakers use expressions every day.
So learning expressions helps you sound more natural.
Exactly. Wow. Today we discovered so many hidden meanings behind English expressions.
Now you know that English is more than just individual words.
Expressions bring emotion, culture, and personality into conversations.
Keep practicing these expressions in your daily English, and soon they will become natural.
If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
Yes, click the subscribe button and join our English learning community.
Also, hit the like button because your support helps us make more helpful lessons.
And don't forget to share this podcast with your friends, classmates, and anyone learning English. Keep learning, keep improving, and keep speaking English with confidence. Thank you for listening. We will meet again in the next episode.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye.